In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Dropbox Fax account, which you might know by its former name, Hello Fax. Whether you're new to this service or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through this straightforward process so you can be ready to send and receive your virtual faxes in no time. First, you need to navigate to the Dropbox Fax login page. You can do this simply by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Dropbox Fax Login. Clicking that link will take you right to where you need to be. On the login page, you'll see fields where you can start entering your credentials. Go ahead and enter your email address in the provided field. Once that's done, click on the button labeled Continue. Now that you've moved on to the next step, you'll notice that you have a few different options for how you can log in. If you've set up a traditional login with a password, you can proceed to enter your password to get into your account. This is the most straightforward method, especially if you remember your password off the top of your head. Another convenient option is logging in through your Dropbox account. If your Dropbox Fax account is linked with Dropbox, you can use those credentials. This can be very handy if you're someone who frequently uses Dropbox already, as it consolidates your logins into one and reduces the need to remember multiple passwords. Just select the Dropbox option, enter your Dropbox credentials, and you will be signed into your Dropbox Fax account seamlessly. The third option you might consider is logging in using your Google account. For those who have this feature enabled, it's as easy as clicking the Google option and selecting your Google account from the list. This option is especially appealing if you use a Google-based infrastructure for your work or personal needs, allowing you to switch between services with ease. Upon successfully authenticating using any of these methods, you'll find yourself on the Dropbox Fax dashboard. Here, you have a variety of tools at your fingertips. Whether it's sending or receiving faxes or managing your fax number, everything you need will be right there. Take a little time to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the dashboard, as this will empower you to make the most out of the features offered. And there you have it. Logging into your Dropbox Fax account is a breeze when you know your options and how they work. Thank you for watching, and happy faxing.